반갑습니다. This is Min-Jae Kim from K-Wellness TV. In this video, I will demonstrate a 9-minute routine of basic Qigong for anxiety. Take a big breath in as your hands come up and around. Breathe out as they come down to the center. Breathe in big breath as the hands get up and around. Breathe out. Your palms face the direction of travel. Imagine you are receiving tons of energy from the universe through the top of your head. The fresh energy comes in to your body. As you breathe out, you can feel as if you are pushing the Qi energy down. Try to draw all the Qi energy from the sky into the body. Breathe out, compressing it down. Parting the clouds. Take a big in-breath as your hands come up to the center and breathe out as your hands go out and around. Breathe in as your hands come up the center. Turn and breathe out as your hands come down and around. It is very good for drawing the Qi energy from the earth up through the bottom of your feet and legs. Pull it up through the center of your body. It is very cleansing exercise and it helps move any stagnant Qi in the body. Keep breathing in and imagine you are drawing Qi energy up through your feet, through the body and out the head. Let's don't breathe in and hands coming up the center. Turn and breathe out as they go down and around and come back to the ready position. Now as you bring your hands up, when the hands come at the height of your chest, hold your breath and push your hands to the both sides. Breathe out. Once again, hands come up. Hold your breath. And breathe out. As you hold your breath, tense your lower belly, Dantian. It is the energy center in our body, and it is located 3 inches below your belly button. This is a great exercise to accumulate and circulate the energy in your body. It creates a good balance of Qi energy in your body too. Dantian means field of elixir. Keep feeling your body, and energy comes into your Dantian, and you can feel the strong center of your body. As you push your hands forward, feel your palms. Feel as if you are pushing the big rock forward. Bend your knees and hip joints so that you can train and tense your lower body. This is an effective exercise to activate the flow of Qi energy in your body. This strengthens the center of energy body, Dantian. Feel the sense of Qi energy on your palms. Push your hands 45 degrees downward. Imagine you are pushing the big rock downward. Tighten your Dantian in the lower belly. Once again, breathe in. Bring the energy to your hands. Hold your breath and push down. Breathe out and relax. One more time. Breathe in and push down. Hold your breath and relax your body and breathe out. One more time. Keep pushing down. Hold your breath and breathe out. Big circle. Bring both of your arms up and turn your body to one side. Make a big circle with your hands. Drop your weight down. Slide your hands to the side. Bring your upper body up. Breathe naturally. Try to extend your Qi energy all the way throughout your fingertips. You can feel connected to your feet, knees and hips, back and shoulders, and your arms. Your body should be relaxed, but strong at the same time. Let's go to the other direction. This is a great exercise to practice if you are feeling anxious or nervous. Keep feeling your body. This is a great exercise to make your body more flexible too. In this way, you can activate the flow of energy and blood in your body. Keep feeling the flow of energy. Now stop. Now opening form, face forward, have your palms face downward. Bring your hands up and down. As you bring your hands up, feel the energy through the top of your head, and as you bring your hands down, feel the chi energy from the earth. You can feel as if you are pushing the chi energy down to the earth. Turn your body to one side. Continue to bring your hands up and down. Feel the energy sensation through your palms. Relax your gaze, relax your shoulders, and relax your eyes. And at the same time, you can strengthen your lower body. We lose lots of energy through our five senses. Put them on hold and feel the sense of chi energy. Breathe deeply and naturally. Now turn to the other side. As you repeat this movement, your breath naturally becomes so deep. Feel as if you are pushing the chi energy down. Feel your body. The heaven energy comes down through the top of your head. The earth energy comes up through the bottom of your feet. The heaven and earth energy meet together in my dantian, the energy center in my lower belly. Coordinate your hands, your body movement, and your breath all at the same time. Stop breathe in and breathe out, and you become so mindful. Bring your hands all the way up. Feel the heaven energy on the top of your head and your chest and your lower dantian. Keep breathing in and breathe out. You become so mindful and you stay in the here and now. You are rejuvenated and recharged. Thank you so much. If you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to share. Give us a like and subscribe for more K-Wellness videos. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다.